Techie. A person who loves technology and computers. My brother is a techie. He loves computers. The techie helped me set up my laptop. Busy bee. A person who is always working. She is a busy bee, always working hard. He is a busy bee because he studies all day. Chatterbox. A person who talks a lot. She is a chatterbox. She never stops talking. I am a chatterbox when I'm with my best friend. Coldfish. A person who does not show emotions or feelings. He is a cold fish and never smiles. My boss is a cold fish and very serious. Adventurer. A person who loves trying new things and traveling. The book tells the story of a brave adventurer. My uncle is an adventurer and enjoys skydiving. Social butterfly. A person who loves talking to people and making new friends. My sister is a social butterfly, but I am shy. He is a social butterfly who loves making new friends. Fitness freak. A person who loves exercise and staying healthy. She is a fitness freak who eats only healthy food. He is a fitness freak and loves doing push-ups. Lone wolf. A person who likes to be alone and does things by themselves. He is a lone wolf and likes working alone. I am a lone wolf, so I don't go to many parties. Globetrotter. A person who travels a lot. My uncle is a globetrotter who loves to travel. She is a globetrotter and has visited 20 countries.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!